When your heart is in your mouth, what is it? You feel like you are dying. Sir said, "Tu kar legi Niyati." That confidence he has, na, kar legi Niyati. Hi, this is Niyati Fatnani, and you're watching me on Bollywood Live.
Hello Bollywood Life viewers, I am Sanskriti and today we are in conversation with Khatro Ke Khiladi 14 contestant Niyati Fatnani. Welcome to Bollywood Life.
Thank you, Sanskriti.
So firstly, how has the experience been?
Experience though has been like amazing. Like it's an experience that I will remember for life. When I have kids, I can show off that, listen, that's your mom, baby. So it's like that. And also I have kind of gained some self-worth. I've learned how to value myself and not to consider myself weak, because all my focus during the stunt was that I have to give my 100% in the stunt, no matter what, how much scared I am. But if I do my work honestly, people will be able to see it, and mostly I will be satisfied that I gave my 100%. And after doing that, you are surprised when your body surprises you, when your mind surprises you, and then the jadoo miracle happens and everything is nice. So this is what I've learned, that even in life this has to continue, that when you are thrown into a difficult situation, don't just bother about how this happened, that happened. Just sail your boat, and everything else will settle.
So now that you have spoken so much about your experience, tell us, was there any one stunt that will always remain with you?
Yeah, my water stunt. I mean, I was, because I'm not a water baby. I don't like water or being in the pool or whatever. But because I knew that I was doing khatro, and they said that it is mandatory for you to know swimming. So I just took like a 20-day class that I would be able to swim in 4 feet of water. But after going there, I get to know that it's never 4 feet, baby. It's 9 feet deep, or even more sometimes. So and then I had, of course, water stunt, and I panicked. Like, I literally freaked out as soon as I was put into the water and the stunt guy was taking me to the main spot. I said, "Don't go, don't go, don't go." The stunt team came, that Niyati, we're starting the stunt, and I'm like, I cannot swim, I don't know. It was like that. But you when you watch the episode, I don't know if you'll laugh or whatever it is, because I was literally shouting. I think that was my first time where I was shouting so much.
Yeah. Of course, and while we do these stunts, of course, Rohit Shetty is a big motivation. So how was the experience?
Honestly, matlab, in that stunt, I was not listening to anybody, because I was just so much in my head, only I was so scared. But in other stunts, I will say that, there was a stunt of cable car, a height stunt. And for the first time, I experienced that what is it when you hear only your heartbeat? What is it when when your heart is in your mouth? What is it? You feel like you are dying. It's like that, because you have to go down. अपने आप से आपको नीचे जाना है, और लाइक लिटरली खाई में जाना है. हाँ, मतलब नेट लगी हुई है, उसमें आपकी केबल कार चल रही है, हवा है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो बहुत डर लग रहा था. तो मैं बहुत ही ऐसे थी कि सर, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है. एंड सर सेड, तू कर लेगी नियति. दैट कॉन्फिडेंस ही हैज़, ना, कर लेगी नियति, चिंता मत कर लेगी. आई वाज लाइक, ओके सर. और it's insane, the way he says कि कर लेगी. I also remember one of the stunts. It was a partner stunt, and he just blessed and he said, अच्छे से करो, जीत के आना. And it's like, wow, these are the words that he's like, constantly motivating everyone. And it's so nice to see that he's been doing it for years, and he's not getting tired of it, and he just enjoys his work. And that's what he said, कि आप काम अच्छे से करोगे, आपका काम आपको दूसरा काम दिलवाएगा. He said this, and I was like, wow, every day he takes something that we can take away, and we can follow that through our life. And wow, it was amazing.
I can totally feel that from your expressions.
No, it was amazing. Like, even when you hear it, something like this, that talking about work, if you do your work properly, आपका काम आपको अच्छा काम दिलवाएगा. सो जो भी काम कर रहे हो अच्छे से करो. ये मत सोचो कौन सा काम अच्छा है बुरा है, ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो
So, was there any one contestant who really surprised you in terms of the performance?
ऑनेस्टली वी आर ऑल वेरी डिफरेंट पीपल. मतलब जैसे मैं बिल्कुल ही नाजुक सी लोगों को लग रहा था कि ऐसी क्यूट सी, तो मतलब ये क्या ज़्यादा स्टंट करेगी नहीं करेगी. शुमोना अगेन, I didn't know that she is a scuba diver. I didn't know that Karanveer is a football player, and Charlene is, again he's been into weight training so much, and Kashmir again he does his own stunts. So मुझे honestly ये सब नहीं पता था, तो we were all very different. But again सबकी journey इतनी inspiring रही है, स्पेशली शुमोना की. शी हैज़, आई थिंक शी इज़ द वन कंटेस्टेंट जिसने सारे एलिमेंट्स फेस किए हैं. बी इट वाटर स्टंट, बी इट शॉक स्टंट, बी इट फायर, आई डोंट नो, बट हाइट स्टंट. तो आई थिंक, मतलब आई विल नॉट कॉल शुमोना एज अ वीक कंटेंडर, बट आई विल से दैट शी हैज़ एक्सपीरियंस्ड ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स, एंड येट शी वॉज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग टिल द एंड.
Okay. Also, this season a lot of things have happened, and the promo we saw that the Asim fight began with you. So what was it exactly?
But it was not a fight. I don't know, मतलब because it was just a fun banter. जैसा आपने पुराने सीजन्स में भी देखा होगा कि कंटेस्टेंट्स एक दूसरे का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, फन बैंटर करते हैं. तो इट वाज जस्ट, आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग सर आसिम ना फ्लाइट में से, आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग दैट, एंड देन I don't know how everything turned into a fight, and then suddenly Aukat came in between, and level came, and then Abhishek saying कि लड़ क्यों रहे हो, we are just having fun. So then honestly we were all shocked कि ये क्या अचानक से क्या हो गया, and we honestly didn't even expect this क्योंकि it was just the first episode.
Okay. So, lastly, how has Khatron Ke Khiladi changed you?
As I said, that I've kind of gained I've learned how to value yourself. I said that, and that everything is meant to happen. You just have to stay focused in your work, and then just give your best, and the miracle will happen, and your body, your mind will surprise you. I think that is the biggest takeaway that I have from this show, and I'm really grateful.
Okay. So thank you so much, and I'm sure it is going to a big hit.
Thank you. Yes, we are hoping, because there's a lot, like there's this, of course, the stunt and the intensity of the stunts is very new, and I think we felt that the difficulty level was more in our season, and also because the new location is there, so there were other new elements that were put in. And also our contenders wise, we all contestants also, we had great fun, pulling each other's leg and this and that, so we also had a lot of fun.
Yeah. So thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you.
Thank you to our viewers. Stay tuned to Bollywood Live.